Question 6. This timetable shows the A14 bus route from the bus station to the train station. Okay, we have to carefully understand. Bus station once start from 6:05, it will arrive High Road 6:15, Shopping Center 6:34, Village Hall 6:48, and train station 7 a.m. So we consider everything is AM PM like this. Now our question, first one, what time does the first bus leave from the bus station? So we need that picture in here. So first bus leave from the bus station, it's a 6:05 a.m. Okay. Next, when does it arrive at the village hall? How long is the journey? So once start 6:05 and village hall arrives 6:48. So start 6:05 a.m. arrive 6:48. Time duration, so 6:48 and minus 6:05, it means need 43 minutes. Duration 43 minutes. Okay, if I want to get the village hall before 8, which two buses can I catch from High Road? So my target, I want to go to get the village hall before 8. Village hall before 8. So which two bus can I catch from High Road? So before 8, village hall, two bus come. One is 6:48, another one is 7:50. So I have to catch from High Road 6:15 and 7:18 bus. Okay, so I can say I can catch the 6:15 and or 7:18 bus, which arrive village hall before 8. Look, how many A14 buses stop at the village hall? So village hall stop how many bus? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 buses. 5 buses. Okay, so question 6 done. Number 7, challenge. This timetable shows the B26 bus route from the bus station to the train station. Some train has dropped onto the timetable and washed out sometimes. Look, fill in the space from these clues. First one, it takes 10 minutes to get from the bus station to High Road. It means need fill in the space from these clues. So it takes 10 minutes to get from the bus station to High Road. So this is the bus station and this is the High Road. Need 10 minutes, so it will be arrive 9:10. The village hall is 5 minutes before the train station. Village hall and train station just 5 minutes before. It means 9:50. Okay, the 2 p.m. bus from the bus station take 5 minutes longer at catch east stop. So this is a little bit interesting. So we can say the 2 p.m. bus from the bus station, it means this one take 5 minutes longer at each stop. So we can say so it's a very interesting thing. So we can write once start 2 p.m. high road will come 2:05 because it takes 5 minutes. So 2:10, this is a 2:15 and this is a 2:20 because each station longer 5 minutes. Now 6:25 from the shopping center, it means this one takes 10 minutes from end to each stop. So it's a 6:35, 6:45, here is 6:15 and 6:05, right? Very interesting question. So challenge done. Oh, one more has, which is the longer journey to the train station? The one that leaves the bus station 9 and that one that leaves 6:05. How long are the both journey? So we have to make this one. So now we have to compare. One is B26, this is a B26 and this is a A14. So now we have to compare. We read question again. Which is the longer journey to the train station? The one that leaves the bus station 9 a.m. and that one that leaves at 6:05. So look, one is 6:05, another one is 9, and to bus station. So if we compare A14, start 6:05 and arrive 7. So it means we can say 55 minutes. What about this one? Start 9. This is a B26, right? And arrive 9:55. So it also need 55 minutes. So we can say after comparison, both route bus need same times, which is 55 minutes. Okay, so question B done. Question 8, use the timetable to answer the question. Here is a bus timetable, but we have to read first the question. 6:30 bus from Oklahoma. How long does it take to get Bedwell to Matchwell? Okay, so on the bus 6:30, it's a start from Oklahoma, and how long does it take it get from, and I will arrive at Bedwell, will go to Matchwell. So how many time need? So it need 6:40 to 7, it means need 20 minutes. It means 6:40 a.m. to 7 a.m. Okay, Achha. Okay, then can you travel from Oklahoma to Ironside on the 7:30? So Ironside 7:30 bus will not touch Ironside. So I can say no, I cannot. Okay. Now, if you had to arrive at Oakham to West Hall and had to arrive 8:30, which would be the best bus to catch? Okay, I have to arrive 8:30. Where? West Hall. 8:30. It means best one is which one? There are lots of bus. So if we touch the bus, I have to Oakham 6, I can arrive at 6:28, but I need to arrive before 8:30. So this is too much earlier. So I have to catch 7:13 bus, which will be arrive 7:51, which is more comfortable to touch 8:30. So best bus, best bus from Oakham 7:13, which arrived West Hall at 7:51. Okay, so very interesting. Question 8 done. We are now almost ending part in our chapter, which is timetable exercise 13.2. Last question. The teacher from class 3 has made a timetable of school activities. Okay, so school activities Monday to Thursday. It means here is a 4 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And here is some activities like 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. cycling, 3 p.m. to 4:45 gardening, lots of things. Liming wishes to go to art and crafts, cooking, gardening, and cycling. Make a list for Liming of the days and times that she can do her activities. So, art and crafts. First, art and crafts. We have to marking this one, art and craft, right? So we can write arts and craft. So this one is the first one is a Tuesday. Time 4 p.m. to 5:15. Another one is a Thursday. The time is 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. right? Next, so arts and crafts done. Now cooking. We can marking this one. Where is cooking? This is cooking. So Thursday is cooking, Wednesday has no cooking, Tuesday has no cooking, and Monday also no cooking. So cooking only one day, which is Thursday. Time 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So cooking done. Now gardening. We can mark, this is gardening. We can mark in green color, gardening. This is a gardening. So this was 2 days. Gardening. First one is a Monday. 3 to 4:15, and Wednesday Wednesday is a 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. And our final option, which is cycling, marking this on cycling 1 day. Cycling also 1 day. So we can write number 4, cycling Monday, which is 3 p.m. to 4, right? So this is a fact. Now here is a one thing in timetable. Look, cycling and gardening is the same time, almost 3 to 40 and 3 to 45. So nothing to do. Here is mentioned and I write this one like this way. So if you have any confusion, please talk with your teacher that cycling and gardening is the same time in Monday. So what can we do? So maybe teacher will change the timetable. Otherwise, you should write from the timetable table. So anyway, no more today. Thanks for being with me. By this video, I'm trying to solve 1 to 9 all question from exercise 13.2, which is time 2. And for practical life, this is very important. So thank you very much. Again, please subscribe my channel, which is SaadEducare. I hope from this channel you will get lots of things, and write your comments, share with your friends, like, dislike, you can do anything. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you.